One of the viewers asked me, how do I know how many segments to use for each ring? Well, each ring has exactly the same. If I was to make a small bowl, I would probably do 12 because that divides into 360 evenly. And so does 30. Now this is going to be a big bowl, so I don't want horkin' big segments. I want a bunch of little ones. So that's why I selected 30. Each segment will rotate 12 degrees. So if each segment is going to rotate 12 degrees, that means that each side is only going to have to be 6 degrees, because 6 on one segment plus the 6 on the other will equal 12. So I'll set my table saw to 6 degrees. Now, I was afraid this was going to happen, but I wanted to try this anyway, just in case it'd work. But these segments are just a little bit too big. It works great on smaller segments. I guess I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. Now, there's a couple of things. The old-fashioned way, it looks scary. And tomorrow is Halloween, and we don't need any more horror movies going on. So I'm just going to leave the camera upstairs. And also, when you're doing something repetitious, that's when you can have problems. You know, the first time or two that you do something a little bit dangerous, it's okay because you're watching, but after about 200 times doing the same thing, if you're not paying attention, that's when you can have a problem. Now, I've always been careful, and I want to stay careful, so I'm going to leave the camera upstairs.